Chemicals are an important part of our daily life. They are in our clothes, homes, medicines, agriculture, electronics, energy, and even in the air we breathe. But sometimes, chemicals can have unwanted effects on health and the environment. How can chemistry become part of the solution instead of part of the problem? Sustainable chemistry rethinks how we produce, use, and live. It actively encourages the development of products that can last, can be repaired, reused, and recycled instead of becoming waste. It cuts emissions, hazardous chemicals, and resource use through safe and sustainable innovation. And that's where we come in. At ISC3, we enhance sustainable chemistry through dialogue, competitive innovations, education, and capacity development. We work with startups, researchers, governments, and civil society worldwide to find practical solutions for global challenges. Whether it's recycling materials from diapers, making textiles from human hair, or using bio-based feedstock for better resource efficiency, these startups in the ISC3 network show how innovation and sustainability can go hand in hand. Together, we are transforming chemistry, advancing sustainability, and creating opportunities for a fairer world for future generations.